All right, it is 2015 Panini Spectra Football SFB39 and 40. And let's go ahead and screenshot everybody in the break. Here we go. All right, Matt Asher at the top, John C. You're at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into random.org. Random 7. Here we go. All right, there's 1. Here comes number 2, 3. Razzle Dazzle 4, 5. Come on, random. I need you, buddy. 6 and 7. All right. Jeff B at the top, Robert H at the bottom. We're going to copy and paste this into our NFL spreadsheet, which is right there. Boom. Here comes a screen share. Good luck, guys. Let's see what we got. Time for some big hits indeed. Mad S hit his famous Ravens spot. I swear to God, man, you get the Ravens more than anybody I've ever seen, man. That's crazy. And the Raiders. Let's see. Steve got the Titans again. Lee G. Bucks. All right. Let's screen share it out here for you. Oh, man, what a night. All right. Hey, no problem. No problem. I'm in no rush. All right, Ravens for Steelers, confirm. All right. All right, Steve goes to the Ravens. Interesting. They are a good hit team in this, though, however. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Let's see what this one looks like. All right. All right, Aaron Rodgers. Right here for the Packers, Jeff G. That is you, sir. Jeff G, 91 of 99. Very nice. Going out to Jeff. Next one here is, oh man, check this out. Justin Hardy, blue ink right there, 3-color patch autograph. For the Falcons, Troy T. That is you, sir. Troy T, 27 of 50. Justin Hardy, very nice. Here we go, Devin Hester. Sunday best right here for the Falcons. That's Troy T. Coming out to you, Troy T. 123 of 199. Right there for Troy, Mr. Hester. Here we go, blue. Right here, Devin Smith for the Jets. New York Jets owner is Steve S. 44 of 49. All right, there he is, Mr. Bridgewater. Right there for the Vikings. That's Robert H. Coming out to you, 124 of 199. Very nice. Teddy Bridgewater. Uh-oh. What is this? Holy cow. Look at this. We have done it. I pulled Irvin Green earlier. There he is. Emmitt Smith. Right here for the boys. Ben P. Ben P. Illustrious Legends right here. Spectra is so nasty. God. That's on card, by the way, too. Illustrious Legends right there. Emmitt Smith for the boys. Ben P. 7 of 15 right there. Very nice. Ben P. Rivals right here. Bell and Peterson. Lions and Vikings. Robert H. And Robert H. owns both. All right. So no random needed. That's great. 60 of 99. And then we have a Shannon Sharp right here for the Broncos. Garcia J, 5 of 99. You're welcome, Ben. Thanks for joining, buddy. Hey, Niners, by the way, thank you for that earlier. I didn't catch that, but I appreciate that, what you did there earlier. I'll talk with you later. Seriously, I really appreciate that. Emmanuel Sanders right there. For the Broncos, watch out. Garcia J. Green. Look at that. For the Broncos, 6 of 25. Nice one there. And then we got a nice, oh, that's cool. Eric Armstead for the 49ers right there. That's John P. Coming out to you, John P. 74 of 199. Here we go. Gigantic jersey right here for the Packers, Ty Montgomery. Very nice Packers. That's Jeff G. Coming out to you, 160 of 199. Very nice, Jeff G. And then we have a David Cobb green right here, cut for the Titans, 14 of 15. That is Steve S. Coming out to you, Steve S. Next up, here we go. Rookie duel. Right here, Paul Dawson and Josh Shaw. Right there, check that out. 152 of 199 for the Bengals. That's Jeff P. Coming out to you, Jeff P. Sync swatches right here for the Bears. Kevin White and Alshon. Yes. Chicago, Steve S. That is you, sir. 26 of 199. Got a Sunday best right here. Teddy Bridgewater for the Vikings. Minnesota, that's Robert H. Coming out to you, Robert H. 26 of 199. We got Flutie Flakes right here. Blue cut for the Bills. That is Cody M. 23 of 35. Nice Doug Flutie. Next up, here we go. Team trios right here. Falcons been hot in this one. Troy T, Matty Ice, Tevin Coleman, and Justin Hardy. Right there for the Falcons, 41 of 50. Going out to Troy T. Alan Hearns right here for the Jags, Jacksonville. That is Cody M. Coming out to you, Cody M. 28 of 99. Leonard Williams right here, gigantic jersey for the Jets. That is Steve S. Coming out to you, 15 of 199. And then we got a Bob Greasy right here for the Dolphins. Steve S. 89 of 99. Right there, very nice. All right, next up, there he is, Mr. Evans. Right here for the Bucks. All right, Tampa, that's Lee G. Coming out to you. Very nice. 41 of 99. Mike Evans. Rivals, Andrew Luck and J.J. Watt. Colts and Texans, Ben P. and John C. It looks like on that one. I don't have to go to random. That is a 29 of 49 right there. And then we got a Peyton Manning Sunday best patch right here for the Broncos. Denver Broncos, that is Garcelia J. Coming out to you, Garcelia J. 62 of 99. We got a Des Bryant blue right here for the boys. That is Ben P. 5 of 49. Next up, here we go, Joe Green, right here for the Steelers, Matt S., 22 of 99. Aguilar, rookie card, I call it a 3-color patch auto. Right there, aspiring for the Eagles, that's Nick K. Coming out to you, Nick K., 19 of 99. Here we go, Sunday best right here, Cameron Wake. Nice blue patch for the Dolphins, that is Steve S., 199 of 99, good number. And then we got Earl Campbell right here as a Saint. Interesting. 8 of 49. That is going to go out to Steve S. Right there, Steve S. I have to admit, I never knew Earl Campbell played for the Saints. That's interesting. Did not know that. Go figure. All right, last one here. Here we go, rising rookie right here, Melvin Gordon. Nice one, dual patch rookie card for the Chargers, Ben P. That's coming out to you, Ben P. 175 of 199. Next one here, oh man, legends right here, Mr. Dickerson. Right here for the Rams, Robert H. That is you, sir, Robert H. Eric Dickerson. Epic Legends Fuchsia. Should be numbered to 8 of 10 right there. Very nice. 8 of 10. Ismail Lewis right there. Rookie card for the Bills. That's Cody M. Coming out to you. 134 of 199. That was nice. We got a Marshall Falk fuchsia cut right here for the Colts. 2 of 5. John C. That is coming out to you. John C. Very nice. All right. We will definitely be getting more of that, do not worry. Probably the best football product release of the year so far, in my opinion. Next to Clear Vision, but of course that's my opinion. All right, let's do this one real quick. Have a good one, Chris. Thanks for hanging out, buddy. All right, this is John C. and Ben P. All right. Good luck, guys. Number 1 after 7. Here we go. There is 1. Here comes number 2, 3, Razzle Dazzle 4, 5, 6, and 7. John C. is the winner. John C., that's coming out to you. Very nice. All right, that'll conclude Spectra Football 2-box break 39 and 40. Let's save that for YouTube.